Objective and use case. In this tutorial, you will build a security logic circuit using a 74HC08 AND gate integrated circuit. The circuit processes signals from two independent switches, simulating a door and a window sensor, and activates an output LED only when both switches are closed at the same time. Why it is useful. Times safety interlocks ensures machinery operates only when an operator presses two buttons simultaneously, keeping both hands away from danger. Times security systems triggers a specific high-priority alarm only when multiple zones are breached simultaneously. Times data validation. Logic gates are fundamental for validating that two necessary conditions, e.g., system ready and start command, are met before executing an action.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At Prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to Prometeo.blog and get started today.